Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Parker at McDonald Buick GMC Cadillac. We are your GMC Giant, and it's time for another Feature Friday. This Friday we are featuring our brand new 2018 elevated elevations. These trucks are huge. They're like a Sierrasaurus Rex, if you will. Once again, we have teamed up with our good friends at DSI, and they have put together another fantastic package for us. We have a 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit on both of these trucks, along with 35-inch Pro Comp tires. Now you have a choice. You can go with something a little bit more streamlined for the fender flares, such as this one here, or if you're looking for something a little bit more rugged or a little bit more beefier, you can choose this option right here. Also with side steps, they have the fixed side steps, like on this one, or you can get the retractable side steps, like that's on this white one. That'll shoot back up here in a second. These trucks are a huge hit. We've done a few of them up now in the past, and they never seem to last long. So I want to invite you to come on down to the dealership and check these monsters out. You definitely won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this week's Feature Friday, and I hope you guys have a fantastic long weekend, and we will see you next week.